Here's how to use the point of view calling and the Meta AI functions on the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. First, POV calling. When you are in a Messenger or WhatsApp video call, tap the icon that looks like glasses. It will give the other person a view of what you are seeing. Now you can switch between your Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses camera or your phone's camera by double pressing the capture button on the glasses. Now let's go over Meta AI. Just say, "Hey Meta," to get answers to questions, information on what you see, translations, or just have some fun. You can say, "Hey Meta, tell me what you see." And Meta AI will use the camera built into the glasses to see what it is you are looking at, analyze it, and tell you about it. When you want info, you can ask, "Hey Meta, look and tell me what kind of plant this is." When you need a language translation, try something like, "Hey Meta, look and translate this menu." Or when you have ingredients but no recipe, say, "Hey Meta, look and tell me what I can make with these."